Okay, here we are with my beautiful daughter Julia, and we're gonna pick onions today. And if you have a patch of dirt at home or a little piece of dirt or a space that you're not using to grow vegetables, what are you really doing with your life? You have to take advantage of the earth and what it can provide. Let's do this, Julie. Come on, let's
It's
go.
like dripping down my leg. Worms are good for plants.
They're good in the ground, not on top of the leaves.
Sorry, worm.
You all done with this bed?
Yeah.
I think there's one more in between the potatoes over there.
The potatoes.
Yeah, those are potatoes in the ground.
Oh, look at that.
Little one.
I wish it was bigger.
Now do this one has all the
Oh, wait,
purple ones.
I saw a really weird bug.
Okay, so now you're moving to this purple onion.
Look, the first one I
Wow,
picked.
a nice size one. All right, let's go. Let's make another pile. All right, let me help. And so this was our little hole of onions, white and red. Definitely did better on the red this time. We really had really nice ones. There's a ton here. How we did?
Good. Can I see how good it is?
You want to bite it? Cut it.
I'm gonna cut a little piece.
Now I'm gonna have to use it.
Now, watch what nature does to plants.
Okay, we gotta cut this video before somebody loses a hand. Until next time, everybody.
Look, everybody!